What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV, and we back with another video, another review video. If you see the title, you see the thumbnail already, then you already know what I'm about to show you guys. A little small box, GS size. And yeah, if you're new here, I also do reviews. I also do, fashion reviews, sneaker reviews, and a whole bunch of stuff with and around fashion. I also do what are people wearing. So if you don't know, check out the whole channel. I got a whole bunch of content. If you've been here, thank you for rocking with me. We on our way to 700 subs. So make sure you guys continue to subscribe to this channel, but also go subscribe to my music channel and follow me on Instagram as well. Any questions, anything else you have to say, ask, comment down below. And I check all comments and I read them. So be sure to leave a comment or any questions you have down below in the comment section. And let's get right into it. See you guys. I will say see you guys in the next vid. Anyway, let's get it. Alright, so off rip. I know you guys probably seen these. I'm kind of reviewing it kind of like late a little bit. But I got them in the mail because I got it for the sale. You know I do on my like little, not scams, but on Finish Line, they have the coupon, so I got this for way cheaper than retail. So obviously, I can make a profit because when the sneaker game is not where it needs to be resale-wise, you got to get creative of how to make some money. So with that being said, check out the box. They sent me a little messed up box, but it's a size 5. Of course, regular black Jordan box, whatever. So I think retail on these is $95. And I don't know if there's shipping or tax, whatever. I think 95 is just $95. But I used a $20 coupon code on Finish Line and JD. You could use that if you have on either or. And I got these for, instead of 95, I paid 75. Now these right now, if this was to drop last year, 2 years ago, this shit will be mooning right now for at least 150. And yes, they're going to go up at some point because they got the icy bottom, patent leather. This is like a panda, but they calling it the Concord, even though there's no purple. See, Jordan and Brand be dropping the ball so fucking much. Like, if this is a Concord, right, you see black and white all over. Why can't they at least make the Jordan logo purple? Or that Concord purple. You get what I'm saying? From the Jordan 11s or whatever. How is this a Concord? What purple do you see in here? Literally no purple. They don't even give you purple shoelaces. But they want to name these the Jordan 1 Low Concords. Obviously, GS size I got because doing the $20 discount on the men's is still no profit. So, and I can't do it in store because the JD Finish Line by me doesn't do fucking coupons. They want to be stingy and act like assholes. And I don't got time to be politicking with certain managers or whatever. So, F that. I'm going to just get what I could get online. So, this is a solid shoe. They are hitting retail stores all over the world. So, if you could, they should have been out already. So, you probably could see them in your regular, check your Finish Line, Jimmy Jazz, Snipes, Foot Locker. I don't know if they're hitting flex stores as of yet. I don't really know. But, how the fuck there's a glue stain on the fucking tag, the tongue. Anyways, this is a solid colorway. I do think, like I said, there's really not much to say because this is just like a panda low. But if you ask me, like I said, 2 years ago during stimulus check, OD, this would have been fucking close to $200 shoe. But we're not at part of that time anymore, so you got to get with the flow. Let's do a quick little thumbnail for this. Boom. I don't know if the thumbnail is coming out like I'm looking mad, but I just kind of woke up like a good hour ago. And I'm happy to do the next video review because I got something special that came in the mail. I don't even know if you guys know it dropped, but I'm going to do the next video probably back to back right now. Or I'm just going to edit this because if I sit down and edit this, I'm not going to get up to film the other video. So I'm going to just film videos back to back. You're going to see me wear the same hoodie. But let me know what you guys think about the Jordan 1 Low Concords. Like I said, this is a GS size, so I don't know if the camera could catch how dark it is, but it's literally a black and white shoe. Could be Panda if you want to call it, but I'm fucking tired of hearing Panda. So if you want to name this Concord, be my guest. It does not have no purple tag, purple Jumpman on the logo. Purple nowhere, but it's a Concord Jordan 1 Low. So let me know if you guys like these. If you didn't know they dropped, they did drop, so resale right now is not too bad. But you could also find these in your stores if you hustle hard enough, you've put in some work. But also certain stores don't have them yet because late shipment across the board. You just gotta check your stores and see if they got them. But if they do, grab them if you like them for resale. Then obviously you know what to do. But they're not going for that much on resale market. So if you can't find them, hit up your local resellers, and they could give you a good price on them rather than buying it online, I guess. But whatever you want to do, cop if you like. If you don't like, then whatever. But yeah. Also, if you didn't know they dropped, they dropped. So if this is your first time seeing them and you like them, this is a size 5, Y, GS, whatever you want to call it. And as of right now, this has not sold. So if you're watching this and you wear size 5, I'll sell it to you. Hit me up if you want them. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Your boy Little Roy's out. And continue to watch my videos that I dropped previously. Also, like I said, check out my music channel. And go show support on my Instagram, man. Y'all slacking. I don't want to show no support on my Instagram. Nothing. I drop high quality content on my Instagram, like photos and stuff. So if you into like creative stuff, just go follow me on Instagram and go like my posts. I just dropped, like, by the time you're watching this, I probably dropped 3 new pictures already, like literally 3 different pictures. So go show support over there, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.